Forward, Lexperia Foundation, forward.
Forward.
Forward, Lexperia Foundation, forward.
Forward.
Forward, Lexperia Foundation, forward.
Forward.
Okay, thank you very much. The Director of Ceremony, in my own the leadership of Lexperia Foundation, the Student Representative Council of the MITE, IUM Ogotiba campus. I heard that the Secretary for Finance was here. And indeed, I also want to recognize the presence of the Secretary General, Mr. Junius Ashpikidemi. Media team present, all the leadership of, all the members, all the audience present, good afternoon once again. My name is Sebron Kandumbe. I'm a third year student at the University of Namibia, HQ campus. My message is very simple, to put joy to the faces of the leadership of Lexperia Learning Foundation, and to remind you that the knowledge, the skills that we have fed the masses of our people does not go in vain. Today, I'm going to make you proud, and I believe you understand what is about to happen. Okay. But before I do that, I just want to give you a word of encouragement. This is I heard this is a new foundation. When was it established?